This is the WORKPRO corded multi-speed oscillating tool. In my case, it's the oscillating tool that I go for when I need consistent heavy-duty power, unlike those battery-powered tools, which are handy but inconvenient when they run out of juice or just don't deliver the RPMs. As for how the tool works, you've got the power button right here and a speed controller. I'll start you out on minimum just so you can see the speed and then crank it up. At max, it is absolutely a destroyer of a saw. Like, it will just crank on max. Huge RPMs. It's got some weight to it just because it's got the power. Like, it's handheld, but it's a beefy tool. As for the blade lock, no tools needed. You're not getting in there with your Allen wrench like some of the older oscillating tools. You just loosen this guy up. First step. The blade's not gonna come off yet. Then you go all the way with it. And once you go all the way, it is free to pop off. Just get it in place, lower the connection back, and you're good to go. It's an oscillating tool for fine cuts. Most of us use them for woodworking, but I know a lot of guys also use these to cut steel. It will definitely go through thin sheet metal, and just a good tool for precise cuts. I feel like when I'm doing trim work, there's always a moment where the oscillating tool is needed just for finicky little precise cuts. It comes with a soft tool bag and you're good to go, ready to work.
Very nice. The tool works amazing, and for the price, it's really, really nice. Flush cut, 45-degree angle. Same thing here. Flush cut, 45-degree angle. Beautiful. Good job. Good job, WORKPRO.